What's up, my friends? This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one is with the huge video streaming platform Netflix, and it is non-phone. It does not require any kind of a college degree. But real quickly, before we dive into all the juicy details, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and as always, the links to all the jobs I share are in the YouTube description box below the video. But Netflix is hiring none other than an administrative assistant for their talent programs. Now, we all know Netflix is based out of California, but they are hiring remote within the United States. They are looking for someone who is self-motivated, proactive, and quick-thinking and flexible to juggle multiple diverse responsibilities. And so this includes maintaining calendars for 2 different directors and aligning those calendars with their direct reports, including scheduling meetings both internally and externally and booking various events. You'll have to coordinate travel arrangements both domestically and internationally, including passport renewals and processing visas for these directors. You'll plan team and cross-functional off-site through coordination with hotels and vendors. You'll process any expense reports that come from these traveling about. And you'll assist with any onboarding of new hire tasks for the team. Now, they do not require any college degree. They do want someone who has 5 years experience as some kind of administrative assistant is preferred, but not really required. You do need to be able to organize events, so having event organization experience is good. Someone who has strong written and verbal communication skills. Of course, you always have to be proficient in either Google Suite or Microsoft Office. They use Google Suite, which is Gmail, Calendar, Google Docs, all of that. You need to be able to prioritize tasks and respond accordingly and be a team player. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on experience and location, so they do not list the pay for this position. That would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.